Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to be exposing this channel, Seattle Sasquatch, as a very qualified hoaxer in the Bigfoot community. You can see he's got 9,500 views on this Spies Like Us, the ventriloquist video. Look at this here. You gotta read the subtleties and understand what you're looking for when it comes to deception, or you'll be tricked forever. But the location's new to the channel, but one of the first active areas I found. It says, I remember using the formula that Utah Sasquatch and Snowwalker Prime had been kind enough to share with the world. Hold on, brakes. Snowwalker Prime is sharing fucking garbage. That guy slanders people. He's got an army of fake accounts. He's jumping on everybody's coattails. He's forcing himself into your group by first slandering channels like Utah Sasquatch and Sasquatch Ontario, and then all of a sudden, oh, we're friends, but he's still got videos up slandering Sasquatch Ontario. At least he has for the last few times that I've made mention of it. Maybe he took those down. Maybe he's stupid and he's leaving them up, or maybe he's smart enough to see that with people exposing this hoax that he's going to have to take down some of this content. But Snowwalker Prime doesn't share shit with the world, okay? Utah Sasquatch is amazing, and he's the one that inspired me to go out. But Snowwalker Prime is trying to be interjected here as though he's on the same level as Utah Sasquatch. Okay, Snowwalker Prime's a fucking jerk-off. He tells lies. He's a fucking psychological master at tricking people. He's talking about the flat earth. The guy is a freaking idiot, and he's representing himself as a moron, and he's a trickster. He's getting people to believe this shit. Okay, so then the guy says, and I'm going to show you this video. Yeah, I grew up in northern Idaho. Sure you did. Yeah, you found huge prints at age 6. Sure you did. Yeah, you were a believer for most of your childhood. Then slowly over time, with Santa and the Tooth Fairy, he thought Bigfoot was just a myth. He's a believer, but then he becomes a non-believer. Oh, and then 30 years later, he's believing again. Okay, which is complete bullshit. Then look at this. Where's his favorite place? Deception Island. Because things aren't always what they appear to be. That's what I'm trying to tell you people. Read the words. Read into the words. DDoS made mention on a video the other day about being able to read people's personality and their penmanship. And you got to realize this guy is potentially full of shit. And I'm going to show you some clips here of why I think that Seattle Sasquatch is hoaxing people. He's saying this is freaky faces. It's called pareidolia, people. You can look up in the cloud and see a lot of stuff. You can look in the grass. Oh, you think you see eyes right here? Are those eyes right there? It looks like a bear. Look. But it's not. Okay, that's nothing. He's got some other bogus audio over the video clip that does not go with the clip. So right there, he's making shit up. Here's another one. A face full of trees. Really? Let's see the face. Look at all the faces, guys. See the Emperor's new clothes? Aren't they so beautiful? You get the parable? Do you understand the analogy? There's no faces here, people. It's pareidolia. There's shadows. It's not a face. Okay? This is the shit people are believing is true. Legit people who are finding shit. Here's another one. Another strange creature filmed at his favorite Bigfoot area. Where is it? I see some shadow. Can you hear the fake audio? He's slowing his clips down, showing you nothing. This is a big production. Sasquatch, to see or not to see? That is the question. So he's looking at this log right here, and he's put you on the spot. You believe, right? You agree, right? Right? I got 50 fucking fake people saying that they see it. You agree too, don't you? This is what the news does. This is how they manipulate you. This is how they perpetrate the lie onto your brain. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? They got technology, dude, which is what I want to show you here. This is the Spies Like Us ventriloquist video. And they're saying, look, there's the face right there. You got to see it. Look, it's right there. But first I want you to look at this from the Colorado Bigfoot video. Now, somebody independently sent me this picture. I don't know how Mark got it, or maybe Mark took it. Somebody sent it to me that I was talking to, a YouTube channel on YouTube, and said, because I'm in Colorado and they're in Colorado, and they said, hey, look at this picture. Yeah, my friend took this on Mount Evans. Okay, that's pretty cool. Mount Evans, Colorado. But why couldn't you take an image like that, Photoshop it, stick it into a video, and then make this kind of shit? Because this one's good. Like I said, it's got 9,500 views. But one, he's filming it. It's in slow motion. You can see there's a bug that comes off over here, like a fly, but it goes like this across the video real slowly. Okay? But why couldn't he have taken a still video on a tripod, which is clear, inserted a photoshopped image, and then refilmed the video very up close, and then done this with the camera, and done this, and just filming a still video that he filmed, and then put it in slow motion and have it appear as though he's zoomed in on this creature, supposed creature. Just look at this. I'm just trying to figure out how he could have hoaxed this, how this could be done, how it might not be real, because all the other material is fake as hell. So how do they get to the next level of trickery? You know what I mean? About them being able to film it as a still and then use the camera motion and the slow-mo to trick you. All these videos he's presenting are in slow motion, half of them at least. Did you hear that click at the end? Did you guys hear that? Sounded like pressing a button on a computer. Well, listen. I don't know. Why did he happen to end it right there when the noises started happening? Does that not look Photoshopped to you? One more time. Click, and then it ends. Okay, so you got that there. Kind of blurry. You got this pixelation going on here. Like, I don't know. I'm not a Photoshop expert. I never used Photoshop in my life. But I know that the government uses Photoshop. I know they can do a lot of things with Photoshop. Trust me. Saying, oh, he's moving his mouth the whole time, which I couldn't tell on the video. I mean, they could have just click, 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 put some dark pixelization in there. You know? Just telling you. It's possible. I don't know. I sense deception with this guy. All these other videos of his are bunk, garbage. He's just tricking people. You can tell by the words of what he says about his channel. So, I don't believe this one bit. I really don't. Feel free to critique the stuff, but I just don't think this stuff is legit. And I haven't watched all his videos, but once I see you putting up 3 or 4 fake things, look at, is it a Bigfoot? It's just a friggin' shadow. Then I think you're full of shit, and I don't trust anything your channel puts out. I'm going to keep looking, but I'm just letting you guys know.